There is 8 T2500bdcps running 4 T319s, 4,004 mid and high amps running 5 sets T3 components, 160 amp hour of JY lithium, 2 Singer alts, I think they're about 400 amp, Rockford DSR1 processor, Alpine 8-inch. Lots of good.
There's a lot of stuff in it, bro.
Everything's modified.
Yeah, I see that. So how long did, like, with these pillars and the doors, like, how many man hours you got in there?
150 to 200 hours on the doors because they're like mine.
Yeah.
I just spent all this love on it instead of getting them done. But like the total van builds, like we're like a year and 6 months in building. Like, you know, when you're not at work, just building as much as you can.
Right. And this is technically like a 4?
Yeah, fourth order.
Fourth order?
Huge ratio, like 4-to-1 ratio. Fourth order.
And this, how thick is that acrylic?
1.25 inches. A whole van's 1.25 inch acrylic. So there's equivalent to like a 4x8 sheet of wood of acrylic in here. A lot of weight. It's like 600-700 pounds of acrylic.
Appreciate it. Dang, bro. Appreciate that, man.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah.